Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your Orbi Wi-Fi router. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or just want to start fresh, resetting your router can help. Let's get started. To start, find the reset button on your Orbi router, typically located on the back near the power port. Look for a tiny pinhole labeled Reset. This pinhole is designed to allow you to perform a factory reset when pressed. Next, take a paper clip or a pin to press the reset button. This is necessary because the reset button is recessed into the device to avoid unintentional presses. Using a paper clip or pin allows you to reach and activate the button securely. Now, carefully insert the paper clip or pin into the reset pinhole. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the power LED on your Orbi router starting to blink, indicating that the reset process is underway. Once the LED starts blinking, release the reset button. The Orbi router will reboot, which may take a few minutes. During this time, your router will be restored to its factory settings. After the reset, you'll need to set up your Orbi router again. Connect it to your modem, and use the Orbi app or web interface to complete the setup process. You can find detailed instructions in the router's user manual or by following our Orbi setup guide. If you run into any issues or require further assistance, our team of professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And that's it. Your Orbi router has been successfully reset and is ready to be reconfigured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.